Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Heavy die-cast construction, powered by the Dunlop ECB03 AC adapter. Not included. And/or 9-volt battery. Dimensions: 10 inches by 4 inches by 2-1/2. Weight: 3.7 pounds. Color: black. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Say goodbye to bulky effects pedals and clunky power supplies. The Prime P1 fits comfortably in your pocket, and provides an input and output jack, headphone out, and USB charging port that also doubles as an USB OTG port for recording directly to a mobile device. Preset selection and volume control is handled by a single clickable knob on the front of the P1. For a simple user interface and quick effect selection. Prime P1, 1900 mAh lithium battery for up to 4.5 hours duration and support for charging via mobile phone. Power bank, GCA55W guitar combo. Built-in 2000 mAh battery, so you can take it on the go and jam for up to 7 hours. Charging your PTNR is convenient as it uses a USB-C charging port. GWF4 wireless foot switch built-in 720 mAh battery. Connect to Prime P1 for preset switching and looper and drum machine control. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 71 built-in guitar effects and 13 amp models. Free download of Zoom Guitar Lab Mac, Windows software. 30-second looper. 68 built-in rhythm patterns. Standard guitar input. O input for external audio players and amp, headphone output. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 71 built-in guitar effects and 13 amp models. Free download of Zoom Guitar Lab Mac, Windows software. 30-second looper. 68 built-in rhythm patterns. Standard guitar input. O input for external audio players and amp, headphone output.